Let me add something to the last thing I said because I just recalled some of the things that's actually busting my head about this country, Nigeria. Hmm? Immediately after Nuhu Ribadu left Oyo, there was a declaration that the president has approved the recruitment of 1,000 forest guards. For what? Is it to curb this kidnapping issue? Is it that we don't have an existing army? Even if we don't have the army, don't we have police? Let's assume that these two are not even existing. Let's even take, for example, people who are not even trained in that field. We know get road safety. People who wear uniform that we respect today as Nigerians. I'm giving you an instance so that you understand what I'm saying. Let's assume that these parastatals no day we get COP members. Because we have countries today that their 1 year service is military service. If this country was a functioning country, these things I see this as an insult to our intelligence as Nigerians. They bust my head. We have an existing military, and you're telling us that the president has approved the recruitment as a national security advisor. Imagine, this is like equivalent to like FBI and CIA, that he has approved the recruitment of 1,000 forest guards to do what? We have existing fire jets, we have existing helicopters, we have the money to acquire any kind of intelligence we want to acquire, common drones. We have companies who have satellites in the sky that can detect to us where these terrorists are. With the use of infrared myself, and if you pick, say you pick hits, even if they, how will I explain it? Even if they're under a building, you can pick their heat signals and tell if they're human beings here, and send troops there to go and investigate what is going on there. Telling us that there's a recruitment of 1,000 for to do what? There's already existing Amotekun in Oyo State. Then nobody say they know they. Apart from that, citizens dey where their blood they boil because of this thing. So for how long will this politics continue? How long will it continue? And I would like to advise these people that are beneficiaries of this thing. Let me tell you something. It gets to a point where citizens will understand that there's no point in being patriotic for this country. There's no point. It will get to a point where a citizen will prefer to die and not experience this nonsense that is taking place than to be alive. And when it gets to that point, it's not going to be funny. It's not going to be funny. Even the terrorist that is doing the terrorism now will not find it funny. Imagine all of us who are citizens in this our nation decide to say we want to go into our forest. Let's fuck shit up. Let the whole country burn. What are you going to say at that point? You think the fear is going to continue for that long? Even if the last generation is so afraid, you think the next one that is coming is going to still be so afraid? It's going to get to a point. It's going to get somewhere, and that time is not even going to take. It's not going to take too long because almost the way things they go, at the rapid is going, at the speed at which it's going, Nigerians work the. That's the truth. Work the. I think they bust my head. It bust my head.